The first time I've ever felt grief in my life was probably I was 12 years old.
Wow, what's this?
I was a part of this show. It's Okidoki Doc. And even
Okie
until
doc,
now,
okie doc,
when I
okie
remember it,
dokie
parang
dokie doc.
nagiging fresh yung feeling. So I've been a part of that show from 1993.
Yeah.
I think I was 12 years old at this time, pa-teenager. At natatandaan ko, in the span of those years that I was doing that, so from 8 years old until 10 or 12, so ilang years yun, parang doon ako nagdalaga sa show.
Wow.
Kasi ang totoong tatay ko doon sa story is si Albert Martinez. Up until one day, I received the script and I read it. Yung ending, Mars, bumalik si yung tatay ko, kinuha ako, at kinuha talaga ako. Like for me, sabi ko, bakit
Malito,
ganun?
malito.
So what does this
malito.
mean?
Oh,
Malito,
malito. Sabi ko, bakit
malito.
ganun? Bakit, ano to na kinuha ko? So, last taping day ko na ba? So, ending nun, din nakita ko na. So, iyak na ako ng iyak. Nasa bahay pa lang ako, iyak na ako ng iyak. And then when I got there, everyone was crying. I remember Tito Aga coming at 3 o'clock. And then I couldn't see him. Like, I couldn't go to his room. Hindi siya makonsole. Like, iyak lang siya ng maiyak. Tapos ayaw niyang mag-taping kasi hindi niya matanggap na it's my last taping day. So it was really so heartbreaking. Like, even to this day, pag naaalala ko siya, parang one of the like most painful things that I've had to go through na wala kang choice.
And as a kid, that's like
Hmm.
12 years old.
And every time like a show would end, kasi dati Mars, yung mga shows dati, 2 years.
Yeah.
Shortest
Mm-mm.
yan. Literally, lumalaki ka sa programa.
Mhm,
Doon ka tumatanda. Yung relationships na nafo-form mo talagang hindi biro. So, yung attachment mo, sobrang lalim. Tapos kapag sinabing tapos na siya, parang wala kayong magagawa lahat but to just cope with it and accept it kasi hanggang doon na lang siya.